Okay, mister. Do you have a time? Because I want to interviewing you. Yes?
Ganti ya lagi. Ininya ganti ya, biar suara jelas.
Okay, I have the time.
So what your interview now?
I want to interviewing some question. I have some question for you. The first question is, what is your job in this department?
My job is as a programmer and separate setter in the CNC milling machine.
Oh, that is your job. Okay, okay. And then, what is the machine you use for your job? I know you using this machine, right? Can you explain me what is the machines? What is the machine is?
This machine is a CNC milling machine, and here we use the head and hand control. Head and hand control.
Head and hand. What?
Head and hand. Yes,
Okay.
like this. Head and hand. This one is control. Okay.
Control.
And this is different with other control like Fanuc, Fanuc Risbo. This is different.
Oh, this. So the CNC milling have a friend too, like us, yeah.
No
Okay.
friend, like CNC no friend, but like SolidWorks, Inventor, Mastercam. This is different software, right? Yeah.
So
This one same. Head and hand, Fanuc. This is different control.
like a different brand, huh?
Yeah, different brand, different control, different manufacturing process.
Okay, okay, thank you. So, and then, how the machines work? How these machines work? Can you explain to me?
Yes. Okay. This machine work with spindle is rotating and the part is stuck in the bench. Yeah, the type the bench is in here. We use two type. The first we use the arrow. In here have three arrow, and then we have vice. Vice. So vice we used to work in apa tuh ya namanya? Okay, next lah. Nanti.
Oh, the concept is like the spindle is rotating, right? And the part is stuck on the vice, and to make the what is the name is spindle. To make the spindle moving, you use the program, right? The program we use is this. What is the software you use for the programming?
Yeah, in here we use Mastercam, but now we use NX. So we have two software, and usually we use NX right now. Then we use Mastercam. So we have to transfer the program from the computer to the machine. We have the cable. The cable is connect from computer to machine.
Okay. And what the question next is? The next question is, what is the cutting tool you use for this machine?
Cutting tool. Oh, we have three type cutting tool. First, we have end mill.
Yes.
Second, we have ball nose, and three we have bull mill. So this different. We have to use to another profile. Yeah, depending the profile, we use the cutter. This profile like round, we have to use ball nose, and if profile is flat, we have to use hand mill like this.
Okay. Like this part is flat that we use hand mill, right? Okay, okay. What kind of material can be used for this machine? What kind of material? Yes.
The material we use in here, so many material. In this machine can work many material, but in this company and in this CNC milling, we just 90%. 90% we work to copper to make electrode, and electrode used by EDM. EDM, okay, like this.
And next, so this machine using coolant, right? What kind of the coolant this machine use for the job? What kind of coolant?
I don't time, but I know the name. I know the brand. This brand is Fuchs. Fuchs, yeah. Fucs.
FUCX.
Okay.
Okay.
Fuchs. The color is blue.
Blue.
Yes,
not
blue.
white.
No.
The common coolant is
Yeah.
white.
Usually, the coolant is white, but if we have to use Fuchs, this color is blue.
That's not changing the use of the coolant, right? The
No.
color is not changing the use of the color, right? Okay,
Okay.
it's just the same, right? Just different color. Okay. Okay. Now I want to know how many axes this machine have. How many axes? Yes.
Yeah, this machine just three axes, X, Y, and Z.
X, Y, Z.
But this brand and the other category or type, this is have many axes.
Many axes.
On the other company,
Other
the
company.
bigger company. Yes, Hidden Hand have any axis like 5 axis, multi axis like this.
Okay, but in this company we only have 3 axes, right? Okay. How much tolerance this machine have? Tolerance.
All the machine no have a tolerance, but machine can get the tolerance. Like this machine can get 5 micron until 3 micron.
5 micron. That's so tiny, right?
Yes,
So tiny.
this is so small tolerance. So we can we have to small tolerance of copper, because this copper can use the EDM.
So the tolerance is just 5 micron. My God. How many times this machine use for making this part? How many time will take to make this part? See, come on. Filming this.
Yeah, you see this.
How many times?
This is 3 arrow, then 3 copper. The time is different depending the profile of part. If this profile difficult or complicated,
Yes.
he have a long time to run, long time to make this copper.
But the actual time to making this part
This
is,
part, yeah.
Yeah.
I work now.
Yes.
This is I have to 2 hour and half.
How,
3?
how to see the time is?
Yes.
Can you film this?
In this we see the test run.
Okay. What the tumble you
This
use?
one. No have a name, but have a the gambar.
Okay. First, you have the picture.
No,
Okay.
not picture, but like logo
Top.
or no.
You have a button.
Yeah.
Okay. What the button you use to? Okay. After that,
You start. You started.
2 hour,
2 hour and half.
2 hour and half to make only this part. Oh my God.
No one only. But
No one
three.
only, but three. Okay. Okay. Can you show me how to find the datum on this machine?
Right now we no finding the datum because the 3 hour already setting already have a datum, like you can see in here.
Yes.
Sorry, manual preset table. We have a datum already,
Okay.
so we just put the electrode, pre-electrode, put, and we just find the Z.
Just
So-
find the Z. Okay.
Yeah, because the arrow already have X, Y, all three. We have because we find the Z only.
Okay. Okay. Before after that, I want to know how to operate this machine, how to active the spindle. How
This is
to?
secret, bro.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh.
This is cut.
Okay. Can you show me how to
How to play?
how to run the spindle? How to?
Yeah, for
How to
example,
running the
how to
machine?
run like this. We push the S to spindle,
Okay.
and we put the number.
Number
For example,
2000 ya. Why you not using 300,000 like that? Why?
because this is just example.
Sample. Oh.
We can write maximum
What the maximum is? 29,000 ya.
29,000.
29,000 maximum. But the standard you use is what? Is how much
part.
the standard?
This part have many cutter use. So cutter different cutter, different spindle.
Different spindle.
Depending the diameter.
So this is what the diameter is. We see now 8 millimeter, right? Okay, 8 millimeter. How much spindle we use for 8 millimeter? Oh, okay, 10,000. And now we can see the spindle start running, start spinning, start rotating. To run this program, can we run this program?
Right.
How to run this program?
Here we have like program.
Okay.
We set in here. So in here so many programs, but we just run like test.
Okay.
We can set to arrow 2. We start a basic program.
Okay.
This is vertical. Use this one. After we choose the program, depending the material,
Yes.
we enter
Mhm.
and start.
Oh,
So now the program is running.
so fast, yeah. So fast.
Speeding is 2,000 now.
Okay, Mister. Thank you for the time you because you want to get interviewing with me. Oh, yes, this is will get paid. Okay. No, I'm joking.
I want the coffee.
Okay. Thank you, Mister. Have a great time. Okay, selesai.